Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in with another weekly update, and I just wanted to show you a new feature that we just set up on here, a few different items that you can utilize as leadership to start to drive people back to our platform to utilize even further. So this is going to be a brand new item that you can add to your signature that'll highlight our services. And once again, what I'm going to show you on here is just some examples, so if you want to tweak it or play around with it, please feel free. But once you go to scottleroymarketing.com and sign in with your Market Center number, you're going to see Leadership Support pop up on here with a drop-down menu. And under there, you're going to see Leadership Email Signature Add-ons. Now, this just got updated this week, where now you can find a couple different email signature add-ons. They'll be segmented by a nice little line on here. And all you'll have to do if you want to utilize any of these, now you can see they're all center aligned on here. They have just a couple different options on it, whether it's, visit our tech hub, powering real estate through smart technology. We help real estate agents do more with less, click to get started, whatever it might be. And you can obviously adjust any of these phrases on here. We just came up with 10 different ones to help out. But all you'll have to do on here is highlight this. I'm going to Control C, Command C if you're on a Mac. You can also right click copy, and then go over inside your email. Click the gear icon if you're using a Gmail account, that is. Now, if you're using a different platform, obviously it's going to be a little bit different, but click that gear icon, go to settings on there. I'm already in the settings, so it's not letting me do anything on here. And then once you're under settings, just scroll down to your email signature, and then you can add that in wherever you'd like to. So if I want to just paste this inside on here, I could then add this in. You'll notice it then left aligns everything. So if you want to adjust this to basically say, check out the free services from SLM. All right, then you can add this in. Now, once you save this, so once I go to the bottom and click Save Changes, that'll pop up automatically in your email signature to use. But the reason I wanted to highlight this is when someone clicks on this link, and obviously you can go through, you can underline it if you want to make it even, stand out even more if they might not know this is a link. But this is then going to take them over to a page on our website that we set up to look very similar to a link tree on here, where it's just going to have quick options for them to utilize. How I can get help optimizing your technology, free marketing support options, free templates, free listing marketing collateral, live trainings, recorded training classes. So some of the top 6 items the agents might want to take advantage of immediately instead of having to find different items through our agent resources section. So this is going to make it a little bit more user-friendly on here just for the top 6 things they may want to use right away. So there you go. So that's a quick little way that you can start to highlight our services in all your emails for agents to utilize and just to keep that top of mind for them to take advantage of right away too. All right. Now, once again, that's all for leadership. So if you want to utilize it, please feel free. If you don't, no worries. It's no problem at all. But hopefully this will help out a little bit more to get even more utilization and adoption out of the agents right away. So there you go. So that is your tech tip for the day.